Hello everyone, welcome. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to create a custom sidebar in Microsoft Excel, like this. This will take your Excel skills to the higher level. Let us get started. Go to View and check the grid line. Navigate to Insert tab. From Shapes, draw a rectangular shape. Adjust as per required. Go to Shape Outline. Remove outline. From Shape File, Gradient, More Gradients, Gradient Fill. Select your color. Okay, back to Insert. From Shapes, one more rectangular. From Shape File, choose your desired color. Remove outline. Okay. Again from Insert, Shapes, Insert Text Box. Draw a text box. Type Home. From Shape Format, no fill. Again, no outline. Go to Home. Make your text size bigger. Apply bold. You can change the font type. I prefer Times New Roman. You can change the color. Okay. Click into the text box. Control and drag it to make more copies. I need 5 copies. Scroll up. Select all the text box. Go to Shape Format. Align left. Distribute vertically. Adjust the position. Okay. Now rename the text boxes. This will be Home. This is Purchase, Products. Now it's time to link all these text boxes with their corresponding sheet. Click into Home, Ctrl K. Place this document. Home. Okay. Purchase, Ctrl K again. Purchase. Okay. Product, Ctrl K. Products. Okay. The same procedure to cash flow. Ctrl K. Information. Okay. Let us insert icons. You can go to Insert, Icons, type which icon you want. Home. This is Home. Insert. You can change the icon color. Go to Graphics. Also, you can apply effects. Here we have different effects. Also, here I have icons sheet. You can insert icons from here. Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Drag down the icon from graphic format. Change the color. The same procedure you can use to insert all the other icons. Now all the icons are inserted as well. Go to Insert. From Shapes, draw this shape. Select your desired color. Remove outline. From Arrange, send backward. adjust. Okay, now copy all this what we applied in home, select, Control C, purchase, Control V, again, paste in all the sheets. Okay, go to purchase, drag this shape to purchase, products, drag to products, cash flow, information. Okay, back to home, click on purchase. It will take us to the purchase sheet, products. It moved to products, cash flow. Now we have made a wonderful custom sidebar. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video to be helpful. For more daily tips and tricks, subscribe us and leave your feedback in the comments.